And Boden, Banking on It, How I Disrupted an Industry and Changed the Way We Manage Our Money Forever. Get ready to dive into the captivating story of Boden, the founder and CEO of Starling Bank, the United Kingdom's first digital-only bank. Banking on It provides an honest and engaging account of her journey through the setbacks and successes in building a virtual financial institution. This book sheds light on topics such as the importance of execution in startup success, overcoming challenges in a male-dominated industry, and the innovative approach of integrating technology into every aspect of the business. The compelling narrative will offer valuable insights and inspiration to entrepreneurs and anyone interested in disruptive startups.
Starling Bank's founder's journey. Boden, the unlikely fintech entrepreneur, shares her journey in building the United Kingdom's first digital-only bank, Starling Bank. Boden, a British banker, offers a candid account of her challenges and triumphs, making her story a perfect guide for aspiring entrepreneurs. The book received critical acclaim, with various publications calling it a banking blockbuster and TV adaptation worthy. Yahoo Finance even reported that it sent shock waves through the UK tech and venture capital industry. Boden's entrepreneurial insight. Boden urges entrepreneurs to focus on execution rather than innovation to achieve startup success. She emphasizes the importance of an entrepreneur's character and determination in driving their business. Boden shares her own experience in launching a virtual bank with a unique revenue model centered on interchange and overdraft fees, rather than loans. The gritty journey of a female bank founder. Boden's journey to founding a bank was not easy as she encountered many obstacles while trying to get investors on board. As a woman in a male-dominated sector without a banking license, she struggled to get funds. Despite facing numerous rejections, Boden persevered and landed a partnership with Michael Dell, but Silicon Valley investors didn't seem to understand her concept or grasp the idea of a founder in her 50s. She mortgaged her house and ended up on the hook for £2 million in professional fees, but the self-proclaimed accidental entrepreneur didn't give up. From failure to success, the Starling Bank story. Boden's memoir, Banking on It, tells the story of her journey from being a budding fintech entrepreneur to the CEO of Starling Bank, one of the UK's fastest-growing digital banks. In the book, she shares her struggles and triumphs, including securing funding, surviving internal power plays, and overcoming debt. Boden successfully grew Starling Bank to become a leading fintech company, with her unique philosophy of integrating technology into all business aspects, instead of separating it into an IT department. Her approach garnered the attention of Austrian billionaire Harold McPike, who invested £48 million, but took 2/3 of the company. Through perseverance and innovation, Boden transformed Starling Bank from a failing startup to a major player in the fintech industry. The rise of Starling Bank. Boden, CEO of Starling Bank, describes the early days of the bank's launch and her competitive drive to make it successful. Starting with a plan to disrupt the Big Four banks dominating the UK market, Boden recounts how she purchased domain names from a rival bank to thwart customer confusion during their launch. She also describes the efforts she made to ensure the functionality of Starling's debit cards, including a humorous anecdote of spending £3,000 to test them. Boden highlights the importance of accepting criticism in order to improve the product. Additionally, she shares a creative marketing idea of distributing 5,000 pairs of gloves with the bank's logo to enable customers to use the app while outdoors. The story concludes with Boden turning over the purchased domain names to her rival to mend old grudges. Starling Bank's unconventional success. Boden recounts the remarkable journey of Starling Bank from winning regulatory approval to becoming available on Apple's App Store. Despite setting a seemingly impossible goal of opening 30,000 commercial accounts in a few months, the company successfully achieved it and went on to earn a £100 million grant from the UK government. Boden also takes pride in raising £263 million in funding and opening 1 million accounts in 2019. Her story sheds light on the fintech industry's culture of setting outlandish goals and the challenges faced by female leaders. Boden's unpretentious business advice. In her book, the lively and relatable author Boden offers tactical and strategic business advice with a unique perspective that will pique the interest of those in the tech industry. Boden's honest approach and willingness to embrace her own mistakes make her a likable and inspiring figure for anyone looking to succeed in the business world. Her insights will be especially valuable for women entrepreneurs. The book can be paired with other essential reads like The Innovation Stack and The Lean Startup.
And Boden's Banking on It is much more than an account of Starling Bank's inception and growth. It is also a testament to her character, determination, innovation, and perseverance. Through her candid and inspiring storytelling, we have learned critical startup lessons, including shifting the focus from innovation to execution and seamlessly integrating technology into the business. As the spirited leader of Starling Bank and navigated through arduous obstacles, standing tall in a male-dominated industry and leading her company to success. Her story leaves a lasting impact on readers, offering profound insights into the world of disruptive startups and serving as a beacon of encouragement for aspiring entrepreneurs.